Hey there, engineers. Today I'm diving deep into how AI and machine learning are absolutely transforming the field of mechanical engineering. First off, let's talk about design. Traditional CAD software is getting a massive upgrade with AI. Imagine software that not only helps you design, but suggests improvements and optimizations in real time. We're talking about generative design, where AI algorithms create thousands of design alternatives based on specific constraints and criteria. This means faster prototyping and more efficient designs. Then there's predictive maintenance. Gone are the days when equipment failure was a guessing game. Thanks to AI, we can now predict when a machine is likely to fail with remarkable accuracy. Machine learning models analyze data from sensors on equipment to detect anomalies and predict failures before they happen. This not only saves time, but also significantly reduces costs and improves safety. Let's not forget about material science. AI is helping us to discover new materials with properties tailored to specific applications. Machine learning algorithms can analyze vast data sets to predict how different material compositions will perform under various conditions. This accelerates the development of stronger, lighter, and more durable materials. And how about simulations? AI-powered simulations are now so advanced that they can replicate complex physical interactions within seconds. This allows engineers to test multiple scenarios without the need for expensive and time-consuming physical prototypes. It's like having a supercomputer in your toolbox. But what's really mind-blowing is AI-driven robotics. Robots are becoming more intelligent and adaptable thanks to machine learning. They can now learn from their environment and improve their performance over time. This opens up new possibilities for automation in manufacturing, from assembly lines to quality control. And let's not overlook the role of AI in data management. Mechanical engineering projects generate a ton of data. AI helps in managing and analyzing this data more effectively, providing insights that were previously impossible to obtain. This leads to better decision-making and more innovative solutions. So, what does all this mean for you as an engineer? It means more tools at your disposal to innovate and solve complex problems. It means a shift from routine tasks to more creative and strategic work. And most importantly, it means being part of a revolution that's shaping the future of engineering. Remember, AI isn't here to replace us, but to empower us. So embrace these technologies, stay curious, and continue pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more videos on the cutting-edge tech transforming our world. Until next time, keep engineering.